That's one point I want to make here, that in addition to the incentives that we can bring to customers, we also have a bench of technical experts too, external engineers and energy modelers that we work with to provide technical assistance. And I think that that's a big value we can bring to customers as well, giving them insights on how their facility is expected to use energy, doing financial payback analysis for each of these measures you see, trying to, the overall intent of the incentive is to buy down the payback. So if without incentives, the payback is, say, 7 years for a measure, well, with the incentive, we want to try to get that within the ROI that the company needs in order to move forward with the measure. And so to do that, we need to be pretty good at doing energy modeling, predicting savings, both energy consumption usage savings and energy cost savings, so that we can do a financial analysis and estimate those paybacks. So that's kind of the underpinning of all these measures here. This list that you see is just a typical list. It's by no means rigorous. You do see LED lighting and lighting controls on here, so I'll just address that here. You know, like Matt said, the programs definitely benefit from customer engagement, and they evolve over time. And I do think that there are still opportunities for LED lighting and controls en masse. We want to be pushing projects to. It's great to use LED fixtures, we think, from an energy perspective, but not all LEDs are created equally, and some are higher quality than others, and some use less energy than others. So there's an opportunity there from selecting higher quality LEDs. And then also lighting design, high quality lighting design. That can just be as simple as getting the light actually on the plant, and not wasting as little light as possible, you know, onto the walls. So these kind of lighting layout considerations can reduce lighting usage as well. So efficient lighting layout is another important thing we want to talk about. And then not listed on here, but greenhouses and using the sun as your light as well, and then having lighting controls to marry the two, the lights and the sunlight coming in together. We've even seen facilities that are quote unquote greenhouses, but in actuality, it's really like an insulated warehouse with a big skylight, more like that. So there's all different flavors, and I think you know, between the utilities and PAs, program administrators is what we call ourselves. We've seen, I would gander a large percentage of the different permutations you can see for designs. We've seen everything from heat pumps, air source heat pumps, to geothermal heat pumps in greenhouses and in indoor grows. We've seen natural gas chillers and electric chillers. We've seen a lot of different technologies, so we can start sharing best practices between customers. And